In the realm of search and rescue missions, cutting-edge technology has revolutionized the way we approach life-saving operations. Among the most remarkable innovations is the deployment of drones, soaring through the skies as vital aids for over a decade. One such remarkable creation is the DJI M30T drone, a powerful asset to SAR teams across the globe. Swift and agile, its aerial prowess allows it to cover vast areas in a fraction of the time it would take traditional methods.
Okay, so what we have here is Matrix 30 series with the tagline Power in Portability. It's very suitable for the search and rescue industry and also a very quick deployment to make sure it can rescue the persons that we want to rescue as soon as possible.
But what sets the DJI M30T apart is its keen eye, equipped with a powerful thermal camera capable of detecting heat signatures from an impressive 1.2 miles away. This remarkable feature enables it to search for missing individuals in dense forests or the darkest of nights. In the midst of a SAR operation, communication is key.
On top of that, we have the DJI Fly Hub 2, where it's basically a software as a command center. So anyone personnel from the office and on the site can communicate together to make sure they are synchronized in terms of the information they receive and what are the current situation on the sites. So one of it that are particular for the search and rescue industry, where it has the pinpoint functions, where the personnel on the site can pinpoint when they detect the person, you pinpoint the subject, and you will show the location of the subject.
This real-time update empowers SAR teams to assess the situation with precision and swiftly mobilize to the individual's aid.
What we have here is a Mavic 3 thermal. Okay, so if you notice here, on top of the drone, we have the modular accessories. One of the modular, which is the speaker. So under the search and rescue industry, we use it as the communication between the pilot and also the subject. So the pilot basically can communicate through their remote controller to make an announcement or to get the intention for the subject, telling them that the team are currently mobilized to rescue them. In terms of the size, Mavic 3 series is the most compact and portable, easy to carry around. So all the ground crew team can easily carry around to maximize their eyes on the sky.
And the innovation doesn't end there. Enter the DJI M350 RTK drone, equipped with a hook thrower, a literal lifeline in times of crisis. This ingenious feature allows the drone to toss life buoys to drowning victims or throw ropes to those in perilous situations. Drones have become the backbone of search and rescue missions, forever transforming the way we save lives.
With all the features offered from the DJI Enterprise drones, such as the thermal camera, zoom camera, pinpoint, tracking. On top of that, integration with the Fly Hub 2 as a command center, we can communicate between the command center and also pilot on the sites, where it can fully utilize and benefits all the search and rescue team to make sure all the rescue very quick and swift and more efficient to rescuing a life.
Indeed, in the age of drones, humanity finds a guardian in the skies, ensuring that no one is left behind. Together, we soar, united in the pursuit of life's greatest mission, preserving the gift of life itself.